Hey, good morning. It's AJ with Clean Biz Network. How are you?
I'm doing fine.
Good, good. And how do I pronounce your first name?
My first name is pronounced Pierre.
Pierre. Okay, that's what I thought.
Yes.
I didn't want to guess it wrong. Okay, how you doing, Pierre?
I'm doing fine.
Good, good. I saw you got some questions for me, so we can jump right into it.
Okay. Well, I pretty much did all the steps that was required to get started with starting the cleaning business. I received my LLC. I got my EIN. Had my business account. I filed through the National Filing Service. I did
Okay,
that for 2024.
nice.
Um, I paid for my business license with the city um, where I live.
Mhm.
I made my website. I got verified on Google. Um, I paid for my lead.
Okay.
Um, I had my first walkthrough with the move outs with the different rental homes.
Okay.
Um, I gave them a proposal. I set a price.
Nice.
And of course, I had to get business insurance, so I have that, and gave them my
Okay.
W-9. So now I'm just waiting for them to get back to me. I'm just trying not to get discouraged,
Yeah.
that they won't call me or they decide on something else. So I'm just waiting.
Okay. Well,
Mhm.
I'll be honest with you. First thing is, don't wait for them to call you. Right.
Mhm.
So reach out to them. So how long ago did you send the proposal?
I sent it out. That was last week Wednesday,
Okay,
and
so over a week ago. So yeah, you should have reached out already. But I would say as soon as we get off the phone, give them a
mhm.
call back. And if you can't get them over the phone, just try to drop by in and just let them know, hey, just wanted to come back and check back on you guys. I know
Mhm.
that you were, interested in looking for another cleaning company. Just wanted to see if you
Mhm.
got my proposal. If you had any questions for me that I can answer for you, so we can go ahead and
Mhm.
move forward and start taking care of the services for you.
Okay. Yeah, and you know what? I did reach out. And that's when she told me to bring in the business insurance and the W-9, and then I reached back out, and then she was saying that she might have to postpone it because of something dealing with construction and everything in the development. So, because I was actually supposed to start on yesterday, but
Oh, okay.
she postponed it due to construction and things that's going on in the area. So that's why I'm saying I hopefully, I get the call back to start, you know, with the cleaning the rental move outs. So
Gotcha. Okay, so when was
yeah.
the last time y'all actually spoke?
I spoke to her yesterday. Mhm.
Okay, cool, cool, cool.
Mhm.
So in that case, we'll give them like a week or two to chill a little bit, see what's going on, and then I will reach back out again, maybe in about a week and a half, and just say, I want to just check back with you. I know you said you guys were going through some construction. I just wanted to see, if you need
Mhm.
me, let you know I'm here, and then let her give you more information at that point, and you'll know from then whether you should keep
Mhm.
following up. But in the meantime, we
Mhm.
got to keep it going, right?
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah, yeah,
you know what I
yeah. I
mean?
had
It's
to.
always a numbers game. We'll always be reaching out, trying to get customers. Basically, you just got to keep going out there and chasing that bag, pretty much.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'm just trying not to get discouraged with all of this, you know. That's all.
Yeah, yeah. And
Mhm.
please don't. And I did see in your notes too that you were wondering about. Let's see, you said something about creating the website, right? Did I see that? Or am I looking at the wrong person? Let me see.
I've
Nope.
finished it already,
Good.
so it's pretty much up and live and published. So the thing about it is I'm verified on Google. Like I can see my business on Google,
Mhm.
but at the same time, if I just type in like commercial cleaning services in the area in which I live in, I still
Mhm.
don't see it. So do I have to get my my what they call it, my reviews up in order for my business to show. Once like say I'm typing in commercial cleaning services and other businesses show up except for mine.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, and you said you got to get the Google Business Profile up, right?
Yeah, I did that, and when I put in my business name, I'll see my business on. I have to actually put in my business to see the business on Google. But if I just go to Google and put in commercial cleaning services, I won't see Wonder Yes. Mm-hmm.
Gotcha. Where you located? You in Miami?
No, I'm in St. Lucie, County, Florida.
Gotcha.
Mhm.
So two things.
Mhm.
One, I would make sure that on your Google Business Profile,
Mhm.
that I'm trying to see if I can Google search it and see if I can find it too. What's the name of your company?
It's Wonder Yes Fulfillment.
Okay.
Mhm.
Cool. I'm just trying to do a search to see if it actually ever comes up. But yeah, so first thing, yes, you're gonna have to get the Google reviews up. Also, make sure that you are on your Google Business Profile as well as on your website that
Mhm.
you use those correct keywords. So right now you said you were searching for commercial cleaning services and you
Mhm.
no name of your city, right? So that
Mhm.
commercial cleaning is one keyword, but I also would use janitorial services. I would also use cleaning service. I would also use office cleaning service. Like whatever type of cleaning that you want to do, put those
Mhm.
words back to back, like in multiple different places on your website, as well as
Mhm.
on your Google Business Profile. And then it should be somewhere on your Google Business Profile where they ask you like what services do you offer. And so just make sure that that's clear too. And so I'm on here, yeah. It's a ton of them, right? They got over 200 entries on here, and since you're just brand new, it's gonna be harder for you to rank unless you start getting your reviews up, get those
Mhm.
keywords on that, and also make sure you add more like pictures on that. Even if it's stock
Okay.
photos in the beginning, but try to add some pictures of yourself, take pictures of any of your cleaning supplies, any before and after. Put all of that on there as well. And the more you
Mhm.
start to do those things on your profile, your Google Business Profile, as well as on your website, it'll start to rank higher.
Okay. 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 Yeah. Okay. I
Yeah.
definitely stay updated on things like that. But I guess I did the steps on getting started. It's just getting my feet wet now.
Right, absolutely. So,
Mhm.
what do you mind if I ask? What is your day job right now, or do you have one?
Oh yes, I still work. I do casework, so I
Gotcha.
pretty much do everything on the weekends, pretty much, because I have a Monday through
Oh, I
Friday
see.
job. Yeah. Mhm.
Gotcha. Okay.
Mhm.
And do you ever get? Because I was gonna tell you, like maybe if you can maybe carve out 30 minutes to an hour just to kind of get on the phone and do some cold calls in the area. That'll help speed up the process for you. Versus, I mean, it's good that you're buying leads. I appreciate the business, right? But if you
Mhm.
wanted to kind of pick up for you and grow a little faster, it would definitely go faster if you can start doing some more outreach yourself to increase those chances of getting more walkthroughs and closing more deals.
Yes. Yes. Definitely. Definitely. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Well, those
Okay,
are
but it
pretty
sounds like
much
you're on the
my
right path,
concerns.
though. You're taking all the steps forward. So, I
Mhm.
mean, just stay with it and like and stay active in the group. You are in the Facebook group, right?
Not yet. I need to get at it though. I need to get
Okay.
involved. Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah, I'll send you the link because I'm on your I'm right here now. So I'll shoot you the text to join. Ask you for the password, then they'll be able to let you inside the group. But yeah,
Okay.
the Facebook group is huge because it's going to keep you like every day somebody posting something that what they want, right? Everybody motivated, everybody helping each other out with any questions that they got. So
Got
definitely
you.
that's probably one of the biggest resources of being in CBN.
Okay, yes, I would love that. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
so I'm definitely gonna get involved.
Okay. All right, Pierre. Well, you have a great one, and then just be in touch if you need me in the future.
All right, have a good day. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you want to start or grow your business, check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also, don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it, let's go.